Starting around 18 November 2023, Bitcoin money is exchanging at $226.85 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. BCH truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $4,437,625,852, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $154,678,408, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This most certainly makes Bitcoin money, BCH, fundamentally positioning at 20 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Bitcoin money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin money generally be worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Will BCH cost essentially outperform its record-breaking pretty high in every way that really matters, large way? These basically are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross an exceptionally normal value level of $254.18, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically be $244.78, which by and large is genuinely huge. Besides, BCH can in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme value level of $263.70, which sort of is very huge. BCH value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money generally is determined to fundamentally be at around a sort of least worth of $225.63 in an unpretentious manner. The Bitcoin money value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of $253.83, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $246.78 in United States dollars in a very significant way. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could explicitly stretch around $263.70, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 in every way that really matters is $244.78 with a typical cost of $254.18. Pretty further appearance how besides BCH can arrive at a very most extreme value level of $263.70, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money genuinely passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been especially diminished by 1.36% in its kind of current worth, exceptionally further appearance, how Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized investigation. In 2023, the BCH cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $254.18, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to truly be $244.78, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the off chance that we generally look at the truly current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, exhibiting how Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Bitcoin money could for the most part stretch around $263.70 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin money basically is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, fundamentally further appearance, how might BCH cost certainly outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely huge. The BCH especially is down to nearly 4.4% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which basically is very huge. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially past beautiful few days. The coin could for the most part have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in especially present moment in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and in every practical sense, recent days cost history, it by and large is seen that Bitcoin money generally has expanded 40.652% in its worth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The very normal exceptionally least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while by and large greatest sort of normal cost certainly was $134.63, which generally is very huge. This suggests that this coin sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion to truly arrangement of coins for truly long haul in a by and large enormous manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 41.90%, and the cost truly circled from a truly least lovely typical cost of $125.38 to most extreme truly normal cost of $134.83 in the very beyond 90 days. So besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 basically is $244.78 with a sort of typical cost of $254.18, genuinely further appearance how besides BCH can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $263.70, which really is very huge. In especially most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money for the most part has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that assuming that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Subsequently, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period in a genuinely significant manner. As indicated by the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is expanded from 4 months, or so they for the most part thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing how this suggests that this coin really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to truly arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, or so they most certainly thought. The coin by and large is up by 55.23% with the in every practical sense greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin especially was around $103.49, and the essentially least fundamentally normal cost of in a real sense was around $100.92 in kind of beyond 4 months, which in a real sense shows that BCH value gauge November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Bitcoin money generally is determined to sort of be at around an exceptionally least worth of $225.63 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value gauge 2023 facts what will essentially be Bitcoin money fundamentally worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought. The BCH cost certainly is gauged to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $263.70, with especially least cost of $244.78 toward the finish of 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Does Bitcoin money in every way that really matters have a future, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Bitcoin money sort of has an extraordinary kind of potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, exhibiting how Bitcoin money